oven baked. Keema mata, beef minced with green pea. Oh, mutton karai. That's so beautiful. It's a jolly good. It's a lamb soup. It's dal masoor. Fragrance is fantastic with lentils, bangan masala. It's eggplant. It's lovely. Lovely, lovely. Oh. Assalamu alaikum. Wow. My goodness, beautiful. You're lovely. Ah. Oh. Beautiful. Wow, look at this. Wow, Pakistan. Pakistan, beautiful. Beautiful Pakistan. This is a Hunsa style. It's got the Patali Mose Julie. Lamb chopped, tawa, chapati, cooked in roll. That's chawa patali. Cow butter, sprinkled with walnut flakes. Dry apricot, which is here and here. Mint chutney. Here, folks, having the breakfast lassi, huh? With a smile. Lovely. Chapati?
Yes.
Wonderful. The best food of Pakistan.
Yes.
Wow. This is it. Potato. And they're smiling. Wonderful. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Tandoor. Oh, tandoor and roti. Oh, look at that food. My goodness. Amazing. Oh, they invited me to.
English word
How are you? Assalamu alaikum. Okay. Yes, food. Please. It's dal or oh, that's something different, right? It's nice. Plastic stuff, right? Wow. It's beautiful, sir. Chicken. I'm full. Yes. Wow. So it's happening. It's all happening here. Nice. That's the roti. Naan. Lovely. Get you some chicken for the afternoon. It's all the different dishes that you can have. Fresh like cooked, and some roti. Lovely.